guys. This is part 2 of the backseat speaker project. So I have these 5x7s that I'm supposed to put on the rear panels. I'm kind of holding back doing that for a couple of reasons, but I decided to make this box just for fun and see how it works out. I know I said I was going to put the small speakers on the back or the rear side panels there, but I wanted to do something with a little less commitment, so I ended up doing that. Otherwise I'd have to drill in the sides, plus I don't know if I'm a huge fan of the size of the speakers. Now I haven't settled the levels yet because I don't want to annoy the neighbors, so I just put on some royalty-free music right now to actually get to listen to it for once. But I think it's a pretty neat idea the way it's laid out, and it sounds really good too. I mean, I don't know what's going to sound like on your side, but and then the sound from those two speakers comes right up to the front. Yeah, it's really nice. So anyway, I just wanted to show what this little box idea looked like. I haven't seen anything really like it online, and so if anyone's interested in how I do it or the sizes or whatever, let me know. Alrighty, thanks for watching.